Right, so last class we have studied coordination number, right? Coordination number. Is it completed or not? Is it completed coordination number? Okay, that only will explain. So tell me, what is the coordination number? The number of nearest neighbors to the given particle in three-dimensional space, isn't it? The number of nearest neighbors, or nothing but the number of particle which are directly contact with given particle is also called coordination number. For example, in crystal system, let us take this is one particle. If this particle is contact with suppose 1, 2, 3, 4 particle, right? So therefore, what is the coordination number of this particle? 4. Because this particle is contact with how many particles? 4 particle. It must be contact, right? So that is nothing but we called number of nearest neighbors or number of particles which are directly contact with given number of the given number of particles. So that is coordination number we have completed. Okay. Then what is the coordination number? Coordination number of simple BCC, FCC and HCP. This is we have not studied. We have studied other things like what are applications of coordination number, that's covered now. Okay. So therefore, coordination number is number of nearest neighbors or not? Number of nearest neighbors. Okay, then take this tabular column, type of crystal lattice and coordination number. Okay, type of crystal lattice, coordination number. 1. Simple cubic crystal. So generally simple cubic crystal can be written in the form of CC, cubic crystal. Simple cubic crystal or nothing but SCC, simple cubic crystal. Second one is BCC. What is a BCC? Body centered cubic crystal. Third one is FCC. FCC also called CCP. Fourth one is HCP. What is HCP? Hexagonal close packing. Okay. Tell me. Here, what is the coordination number of simple cubic crystal? It is 6. You remember like this. Simple cubic crystal, no? Usually it is taken as a CC. Tell me in alphabetical order, what is the position of C? A, B, C. 3 alva. Okay. It is also 3. 3 plus 3, 6. Right. In alphabetical order, B place is 2. 3 plus 3. It is 8. The coordination number of BCC, 8. HCP. What is the position of F? 6th place. 6 plus 3 plus 3. It is 12. This is also 12, not because of calculation. Okay. And moreover, here remember, the coordination number of simple cubic crystal is 6. Why it is 6? 3 plus 3 antana? It is not because of 3 plus 3. This is simple like calculation which you can remember easily, that's it. I told you these coordination number values are what? They are practical values. They are actually structures. In simple cubic crystal, one particle is connected with 6 particle, right? You don't have any formula to calculate. You have to remember, right? Therefore, BCC, in body centered cubic crystal, one particle contact with 8 particles, right? That you should remember it. Next, FCC. And moreover, the most important examples are for BCC, it is cesium chloride, and FCC, sodium chloride. That also you have to remember. BCC cesium chloride, FCC, sorry, BCC cesium chloride, FCC sodium chloride. Okay. Next, this is one concept we left there. Next is, we have calculated edge length, right? We have calculated edge length, radius of particle, right? And even internuclear distance, nothing but nearest neighboring distance. So we have calculated edge length of what? BCC, FCC. So I think we have not calculated edge length of simple cubic crystal. That we will get in packing efficiency. Anyhow, that also, right? Calculation of edge length. Calculation of edge length comma, you can take radius comma internuclear distance. Internuclear distance in simple cubic crystal. Right? So calculation of edge length, radius, internuclear distance in simple cubic crystal. Tell me, we know that in simple cubic crystal, where the particles are present? Particles are present at only corners. Right? It is a cube, particle present only at corner. This is one corner particle, this is another corner particle, like this. Yes or no? Now, when particle present at corners here, then these corner particle touches to each other. Okay, then tell me, this is a edge length. Edge length is denoted by A. Right? Now, since it is edge length, can I take this is also radius? It is what? Radius. So therefore, now what is the relation between edge length and radius? Therefore, here in case of simple cubic crystal, edge length is equals to 2r. Right? So therefore, if r value is given, you can calculate edge length. In simple cubic crystal, you can also calculate radius. Tell me, so what is the radius of particle? Radius of particle r equal to a by 2. Right? This is one more important formula. Next is internuclear distance, which is also called nearest neighboring distance. Huh? Okay. Internuclear distance. Internuclear distance also called, it is a nearest neighboring distance. Tell me, how do you calculate internuclear distance? So usually radius of cation plus radius of anion. So which is equals to, we take d. D is not a density. We can also take d is a internuclear distance. Okay. Now tell me, suppose if this is a cation, it is an anion. Okay. Or else both are cation, also you can take the distance between cation. If both are anion, you can take the distance between anion. Now, so let us take, if it is a cation, if it is an anion, then what is the distance here? It is a r plus, it become what? R minus. So therefore, the distance between here, r plus r minus, which is equals to what? A. It means r plus plus r minus equal to, it is A. That's it. Internuclear distance is A. Let us take one tabular column. We'll try to write all the information, all the important information in tabular column. Take here type of first column, take type of crystal lattice, second column coordination number, in third column edge length, fourth column radius of particle, fifth column internuclear distance. Internuclear distance is also equal to what? Nearest neighboring distance. Nearest neighboring distance or internuclear distance. Based on this tabular column, on Sunday exam you will get nearly 10 questions. Okay. So lattice, type of lattice, simple cubic crystal. Simple cubic crystal. Next is BCC. Next is FCC. We study about only these three: simple, BCC, FCC. Tell me, what is the coordination number of simple? 6. You have to remember. BCC? 8. I am not asking cesium chloride. Cesium chloride is 8:8. BCC 8. FCC 12. Okay. Next, what is the edge length? A equal to 2R. Important. What is the edge length in BCC? 4R by root 3. Next here, can I take 2 root? 4R by root 2. R 2 root 2 R. That is also okay. Next, tell me here, radius. A by, no, here is, it is A by 2. Simple, A by 2. Next, BCC. Tell me. A into root 3 by 4. Here, A into root 2 by 4. Okay. Next, which one? A by 2 root 2. Okay. Next, internuclear distance. It is A. Here, in case of BCC, A root 3 by 2. A by This information you have to memorize. Nim brain alli fix agಬೇಕು. Okay, so write the question. Silver crystallizes in FCC. Silver crystallizes in FCC lattice, comma, edge length, its edge length is 400 picometer. Its edge length is 400 picometer. What is the radius of silver? What is the radius of silver? Okay, 100 root 2. So it is silver crystallizes in what? FCC. Okay, silver crystallizes FCC. So what is the edge length formula? A equal to, tell me, 2 root 2 R. FCC alva. A equal to 2 root 2 R. That also same. R equal to, we want A by 2 root 2. So what is A value given? 400 picometer by 2 into root 2. Barala? Okay, then it is 200 by
100 root 2
huh.
into 10 power minus 12.
So root 2 value is
1.4.
mail bar. Huh?
100 root 2.
Formula is wrong. Huh? Simplification. Huh? Okay. Tell me what is the answer. Final answer.
100 root 2 into 10 power minus
100 root 2 into
picometers or
okay. That can be converted. Okay. So that can be converted, right? Next, one more. Right. And copper crystallizes in FCC lattice. Copper crystallizes in FCC lattice, comma, the radius of copper is 284 picometer. What is its edge length? Radius of copper is 284 picometer. What is its edge length?
568.
It is FCC, no?
568.
So it is again same formula, no?
568.
Okay. So A equal to 2 into root 2, R equal to 284 given in picometer.
565.
Okay, simplify as per the answer you can identify. Okay, it means by giving radius they expect A, by giving here A, by giving A value they expect radius, right? Can be, it can be calculated. Okay, right. Next, one more. Lithium crystallizes in BCC. Lithium crystallizes in BCC and its edge length is 250 picometer, and its edge length is 250 picometer. What is the length of cube diagonal line? No, one second. FCC, no? Where done? What is BCC? Okay. What is the length of cube diagonal line? What is the length of cube diagonal? Okay. So 62.5 into root 3 picometer. Okay. So root 3 value is 1.73. Multiply with 1.73. You will get simplified answer. So therefore, tell me, length of body diagonal line 4R equal to A into root 3. Length of body diagonal line, it is 4R. So A value given multiply with root 3. 250 into root 3, 250 into 1.73. Okay. Okay. We'll get in picometer, right? Then sometime option may be nanometer, it may be sometime angstrom also. Then how to convert these interconversion of these units? You should know it is 1 angstrom equal to 10 power minus 10 meter or 10 power minus 8 centimeter, right? Take down 1 picometer equal to 12 meter or 10 power minus 10 centimeter. 1 nanometer also equal to nano 10 power minus 9 meters or minus 7 centimeters. Right, another question. A metal crystallizes with face-centered cubic lattice. A metal crystallizes with face-centered cubic lattice. Face-centered cubic lattice. The edge length of unit cell is 408 picometer. The edge length of unit cell is 408 picometer. The diameter of unit cell metal is, the diameter of the metal is, okay. Tell me, a unit cell crystallizes FCC, no? FCC. So what they have given? Edge length. So what is edge length given? 408 picometer given edge length. So we have to calculate diameter, not radius. What is the diameter? No, diameter equal to 2r. It means first calculate r, then multiply with 2. It is FCC. For FCC, A equal to 2 root 2 r. Yes or no? Then it is given 408 2 into root 2 into r. Okay. Then we want 2 r, no? You keep this 2 r. Then 408 divided by root 2, which is nothing but 2 r value. Root 2 is 1.414. From this formula, A equal to 2 root 2 r. Okay, it is 2 r. We want 2 r. To transfer root this side, root 2. Get it now? Next, one more question. Got it? Another question. A solid has BCC structure. A solid has BCC structure. A solid has BCC structure. If the distance of closest approach, if the distance of closest approach between the two atom is 1.73 angstrom. If the distance of closest approach between the two atoms is 1.73 angstrom, the edge length of unit cell is, we need to calculate edge length is question mark. So here given that the distance between closest approach, what is this? Very good, internuclear distance. So here nothing but they have given R plus plus, R minus given. In which type of crystal system it is? BCC. In BCC, A plus R plus plus R minus equal to A into root 3 by 2. Okay, so A into root 3 by 2. So therefore, you should calculate A value. This value given, how much it is? 1.73. So therefore, tell me, A equal to, it is 1.73 into 2 divided by root 3. So what is the value of root 3? 1.73. It means what is 2 angstrom. Right? This is another model question. Okay, so almost all question is covered. One more last question. The edge length of cubic unit cell is 400 picometers. The edge length of cubic unit cell is 400 picometer. Its face diagonal would be how much? Face diagonal line. So what is the formula of face diagonal line? 4R equal to A root 2, right? A into root 2. So A value given 400, root 2 value is 1.414. Multiply with 1.414. We'll get answer. Okay. So all the model questions covered.